Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to unbox Special Edition, New, Nintendo Switch, The Legend of Zelda Edition. Now, everybody knows what we get in the box of the Nintendo Switch. New OLED Nintendo. Special Edition Joy-Cons. Charger and HDMI cable. Attachments for Joy-Cons. And Nintendo Switch dock. Now, let's unwrap everything. Before activate this Nintendo, guys. The money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Time to activate our Nintendo. Do just like Nintendo says. And we done here. The Legend of Zelda game copy. Sold separately. We are going to do gameplay on next video, so until then please bear with us. Thanks for watching.